In this video, I will show you how to record your screen on Windows 11 without installing additional software. So let's start now. First of all, press Window key with G and it will open your option of game bar. So close all these and click on Capture. On Capture, you have to click on this button, red button, and it will start recording. And you can record this by using Windows plus Alt plus R, and same combination of keys will be used to stop this video. So let's start. It is started now. You can see, and now I will stop this by Windows plus Alt plus R. It has stopped. So we can see this screen. Here it is. This is very easy and very simple. Thank you very much for listening my video.